Hello viewers, you're welcome to my vlog today. It's your girl Ify. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video. You should wait and see what I got from Amazon. I have it before, but it was a small one, so I decided to get a bigger one. Okay, wait until it's open so you can see what your girl got. Okay, this is the pack from Amazon. If you have been watching my unboxing video, you will know that I always get most of my electronics from Amazon. Okay, let's unbox. I've not opened it. This is my first time of opening it because I want to open it with you people, with my families. You're part of me. Everything we buy is for us. There are some things you will buy when you want to open them. You are all nervous. See how it's packed. This is my first time of opening it. I don't know if you get to see it. I should put the camera a little bit in. Oh, I hope this is not it. All these are papers. See what's inside. Ta-da! Ring lights. This is from, I don't know where, the shop actually. But almost everything in this world today is made in China. Okay, let's go. Let's see what is inside the way it is. Okay, let's see. Wow, I love this. It's actually bigger than the one I have. This is bigger than the one I'm using now. Yeah, it's bigger. And you know, see what came with it? I think this is to put the phone in the middle. You know, I've been seeing this ring light on shopping, what do they call it, on the phone, on AliExpress, a lot of places, and I'm like, I want to get the one that you can put your phone inside, because now I'm vlogging. I'm using the small ring lights. It's smaller actually, so my phone cannot enter in the middle, and it doesn't have phone holder that will be in the middle for the light to reflect. If you've been watching some of my video, you will see that sometimes my shadow do show back. So I was like, I'm worried. I want to make a quality video. I want you to see me quite well. So I said, okay, I'm gonna get the one that I can put my phone inside. Now I got a trick, because I ordered also for the legs. That's the light stander, and I got a trick. I used the leg of my ring light and I put my phone somewhere else. I used the leg of my ring light to center the light at the middle, at the back of the phone, and the ray, should I say, or the shadow is no longer showing. That is a very good one. So this is it. This is how it came, with this thing added to it. I hope I'm not missing anything with this thing added to it. I think this one will be here. You can bend this, you see, you can bend this. It's like a loudspeaker. Hello. Okay. Now I remove and I turn around and I turn it around. This is it. And I plugged it in here. You heard the noise going kick, and I screw it up. I think screw up. Which way? Right or left? Sometimes with all these things, you don't know where to screw to the right or the left. Okay, I screw it up. This is where the phone should be. Oh, yeah, I think it can be folded. Wow. The phone will be here this way. Okay, it will be here this way. It will be here this way. It's nice. I love it, but I don't know how the quality will be. I think I should get a socket and see the quality, tell the quality for you. Okay. Hello, so I get the adapter. I plug it into the adapter. Okay, so there is control button with the ring lights, control button. The lights are on. So I on the ring light. This is the first awning. So there is plus and minus. I'm plusing it. Ooh, look at that. It's nice, but I think it will be far better at the front of me. It's nice. Then lowering, reducing the light. Okay, it's gone. It's just at a light. Okay, I changed the number 2 light. This is the number 2 light. And the lowering of the number 2 light. Okay, then the number 3 light. This is the number 3 light. This number 3 light is as if there is no light at all. Okay, let's plus it. Ooh, I have to remove my eye from there. Okay, then let's minus it. What do I have to say about this light? It's nice. I got it because it has this phone holder, which my old one does not have, and is bigger. The old one, the one I'm using now, it's a much smaller, times 2 of this one. One should be 2 of mine, but the efficacy is very potent. The one I'm using now, the light is very lovely, the shiny. You can see me now. I'm using it to vlog. The light is very nice. That's behind my old one. This, I'm seeing the light somehow dull, but we'll get to know when we vlog the next time. That's it about this ring light. I just bought it because of this phone holder. I want my phone to be attached to the ring light to give a better quality because of the shadows I do get behind me when I vlog. That's it for the unboxing of the ring light, and I'm going to be showing you the unboxing of the leg. The leg I ordered for the ring light also. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing to this channel. Okay, and do press the notification bell to be notified by me, to get notification anytime I upload a video. So I should say, yeah, till we see you next time. It's a bye-bye.